Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a custom function in Google Sheets. First, let's create a blank spreadsheet. Then, go to the top menu and click on Extensions and select Apps Script. A new window will open. On the left side, click the plus icon next to Files and choose Script. A new file will be created. Name it anything you like. Now inside the file, select everything, delete it, and paste your custom function written in JavaScript. In this video, we will use a Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion function as an example. Next, click Run. You will get an error the first time. Don't worry, just click Run again. And voila, execution completed. Now let's test our function. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.